Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your account type on Indeed. Whether you want to switch from a job seeker account to an employer account, or the other way around, this quick guide will help you do it بسهولة. So if you're confused about where to find this option or how the process works, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything in a very simple way. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for the Indeed app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version so you don't face any issues. Once updated, open the app and go to your profile section, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the menu icon, the 3 lines, at the top right corner. From there, go into Settings, then tap on Account Settings. Now look for the option called Account Type and tap on it. Here you will see the available options, and you can easily select the account type you want. That's it! Your account type will be updated. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more helpful tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.